Here comes my hard-working husband, coming down the road. Yeah, he's sliding. He's on ice. Yeah, he's stuck. That's winter for you. Michigan. Can't even get in the driveway. Straighten your tire. There you go. Are you stuck? You're hitting the curb. Stuck like Chuck. Let's try this again. He needs to go slower is what he needs to do. There you go. Now he can get it. That's a rear-wheel drive for you.
This junk is slippery. What made you think about videotaping and here I get stuck?
I have no idea. It was funny though.
Hey, Mama. How long you been videotaping?
Just a couple of seconds.
That junk right there is slippery, man.
There's the newspaper guy.
Alright, go ahead and shut it off. Love y'all.
Peace.